Hey guys, this is Martin for TechBlockPool, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing of the GoPro Dual Battery Charger and Battery for the GoPro Hero 6 Black and also the 5 edition. Okay, let's get to it. I have my handy knife, but first let's take a look at the box. So this is obviously the charger, this is obviously the battery. On one side it also tells us that yes, it is in fact compatible with Hero 5 batteries as well. On the back it shows us how the battery goes from the top into the charger, and we plug the cable into the bottom of the charger. One side is blue and that's it. Okay, so I have my knife. Let's open this box. Okay, let me focus a little bit. There we go. Okay, there we are. So this is the charger with 2 slots, as you can see. There is a USB-C connector at the bottom of it. There's a nice rubberized foot. This is the extra battery. And here is an additional charging cable. Let's see how long it is. I would say, about 30 centimeters. Let's compare this cable to the cable that you get with your GoPro Hero 6. This is the GoPro cable. And in fact, it is not the same cable. As you can see, the connector on one is white, on the other one it's blue. Also, the material is different, and the thickness is different. Let's take a look at the end. The connectors up also look different. One has oval sleeve and one has sort of a square sleeve, rectangular sleeve. Alright guys, thank you for watching. This has been an unboxing of the GoPro Hero 6 and 5 dual battery charger plus battery. Thank you for watching.